New school day! Oh, hi! Hey! Have you seen this yet? Oh, no way! Fun time! Let's work on her face. Like this. That's hilarious! You little troublemakers! Time for a lesson! What's happening? Whoa, where are we?
Hello, and welcome to the art challenge! Abracadabra! Oh, your first task is a cat!
First, tear a napkin into a cup and pour in white glue. Now add a few drops of paint and mix it really well, like this. Time to place the pieces onto our drawing template. Make sure to stay inside the bow and outline. Those parts will be black. Fill the rest with white and add a yellow nose. All done! Oh, it's me! What do you think?
Wow, that's super cool!
My turn now. First, sketch the ears, eyes, and a face. Now draw the paws, body, and outline. Color the bottom and add shadows and patterns. Like this. Outline the eyes and mouth, then color the head. Nice! Now make a small cut right here and gently slide in this tongue with a message. Add a little hint text. Like this. Done! Such a long tongue, Mr. Cat! That cat looks unusual. Whoa!
Time's up!
Cool, right? We're ready!
Let's take a look. Oh, how cute! Next one!
My cat has a message for you. Look!
Best teacher? Oh, you're making me blush! Wonderful, you win!
Yes!
Your next task is flowers.
Whatever. Let's see what we've got. Wow, so many things here. Nope, not this. Woo! Not that either. Ugh, darn it! Oh yeah! Oh no! Is this all that's left? Actually, I know what to do! Let's start by making lots of dots. Add bigger dots right with your finger. Now add white and red paint strokes like this. I think that's enough. Wow, so pretty! Hey, where'd you go? I'm here! Alright, time to get serious. First, cut out a frame like this. Then add some pieces of tape like this. Now take the ink out of the pen and thread the yarn through. Time to draw a flower. Make sure it sticks well. Add a thinner green string for the stem and leaf like this. All done! I'm finished!
Let's take a look at your work. Alright. What about you? Why not? You both win. Here you go. Here. Your next task is a heart.
Oh, got it. I think this'll work perfectly. Okay. Carefully. Heart's done. So cute. But maybe a bit too simple, don't you think? Oh, Gino, you're so handsome! Kiss me! Oops, bad timing! No, it's just a joke. Yeah, sure. Oh, what if I… Got it! Let's copy the heart shape and write a message. Great! Now pour in glitter. Add different kinds. It'll look nicer. Now trace the outline with glue. Make sure it doesn't break. Now cover it with the first heart. And done! Just add a hint, like this. So pretty. Hey, check it out! Are you sure those are the right words? Well, whatever. What should I do? Got it! First, tape everything except the heart and add different paints. Then start smearing it like this. Blend the colors so the transition looks cool. Now peel the tape from the inside. Carefully. Like this. Nice. Now tape over the heart and add red and orange paint across the page. Finish with a little white paint and smear it the same way. Now peel the tape off the heart. Something's missing. Oh, I know. Cover these lines with rhinestones. Oh yeah, this looks great! Add a little white splatter. And done. Phew. Finally! I'm ready!
Not bad. And yours?
I need this.
It says tear me apart. Okay. Ooh! This is amazing!
But my heart's better, right?
Yes! You win!
Yay!
You won't believe what happened to me. I just stepped outside to go to school, and my car was buried in snow. So I had to walk. Phew. Alright, here's your next task.
What can I use to draw Snowflake? She has so many paints. Wow. I wish I had those. Maybe I can borrow some? Great. I've got paint on my hand. Actually, I can use this. Now draw a little hat. And it's a snowman. Add a few more. The more the merrier. Make snowfall in the background and add snowflakes. Like it? Sure. Oh my. Alright, let's get to work. First, draw a snowflake shape with glue. Now sprinkle salt on top. Perfect. Do the same with the bottom half. Cover it well and gently blow off the extra. Time to add a few drops of diluted paint for color. Use different colors. It'll look so much prettier. Done! So pretty. That's how it's done. What do you think of my snowflake? Aw, it's really cute! Teacher, we're ready!
Very cute. Good job. And what's this? Very creative. You win!
That's right!
Now it's time to create without using brushes! Ha ha ha!
You're so strong! But how do we paint without brushes? I don't think anyone will notice if I use just one tiny brush.
Give me that. No cheating.
Oops. Dumb rules. This should work. Just use the paint. Add it from the middle using different colors. Like this. Now fold the paper and press it well. And done! It's a butterfly. See? Easy peasy. Wow, nice! Now it's my turn. Let's start by drawing shapes with glue. Fill the inside with glue, too. They'll look like petals. Make petals in different sizes. Now sprinkle everything with glitter. Make the petals different colors, like this. Time to blow off the extra. Nice! My masterpiece is ready! Look! Huh? How did you get it so sparkly?
Alright, it's time.
Already? Fine.
Pretty butterfly. Nice work. And what's this? Oh my, it's so shiny! Brilliant! You win!
Me? Yay!
Great job! See you next time! Your punishment is art challenge!
I'll just buy my way out. Everything has a prize! Nepo baby alert! Don't judge. I'm stress eating. Trash eating trash.
First challenge. Draw an elephant.
I got this. Ordered. Fast delivery. Huh? Yay! Here it comes! Wow! Meet my personal drawing assistant. Watch. Huh? It's gonna make things so easy for me. Now let's see. Here's the elephant. Next, I only need to press this button. It's so cool, right? Bet you've never seen anything like this. I can't believe this! It's so talented! You bet! And ta-da! I'm done! But that's cheating! Huh, you'll see. You okay? Never better. I don't need money to get that. I'll make my own assistant.
ready!
Elephant!
You got it, boss! Trust me! The first contact is made! I got total control of this drawing gear, cutesy giant cartoon eyes, check!
Doing great!
Just making the final touches! And done!
Wow, thanks, bud!
Whatever you need!
I'm in love with my elephant! He's adorable! So…
Let's see. A minimal design. Aw, of course you win!
Yay! Thanks!
Next is… I know. Let's test your coloring skills.
Wow, that sounds fun!
You may begin.
I need to do something creative. Yep, I have an idea. Now, where's my brush? Oh, that's even better! Shh, just borrowing this. It's for a good cause. Time to add some color. Green is my favorite. Yellow will make it pop. Red is just classic. And orange is fun. So cool, right? Please, I can do better.
Your order has arrived. Pleasure doing business with you.
I pay, I receive. You wouldn't get it. Now watch. This is watercoloring at its best. Need a couple more dots here. It's time to mix the colors. So fun, right? They're blending beautifully. This is exactly what I imagined. I'm so happy with the results.
Oh, this is a tough choice. Both are super creative. Oh well. You both win!
Yay! It's fine, I guess. What's next?
Thinking.
Aw, cute. I love Labubu's.
Then draw a Boooo.
Awesome. Easy. Okay, first things first. I gotta outline the character with a black marker. Getting the shape right is important. And the lines have to be clean. He looks mischievous already. He's officially here. Alright, this is where it really comes together. This denim blue is just the right color for Milo Boooo. He is a little troublemaker. So cute. Wow. Admit it, I did a great job. Sure, but you know what? I'll do even better. I'm bringing out the good stuff for this. High-tech tools for a high-level drawing. The details are about to be insane. Yep, told you. I'm not making a boring 2D drawing here. This is basically paper engineering. Watch out for the hot glue. $100 bill. Huh? I've got more of these. No! Oops. Sorry, not sorry. Call it high-budget crafting. The rolled piece is glued here. Then it's time to put everything together. I'm so proud of this. I have the one and only 24-karat gold Labubu. And it can be attached to any bag, too. I solemnly swear I am up to no good. Hey, that's not yours. Do I look like I care? Finders keepers. I've got something better for him. Hey! We're done!
Oh, let's see. I was distracted by my beauty. Wait a second. Where's Milo Boooo?
Aw, don't worry. I got you covered.
For me? You're the best. Thanks.
My plan worked. What you did is not right.
You win!
Ugh. I deserved… Huh? Oh no.
Huh? She… What? That is so wrong in many ways!
Sorry. Justice served.
You're not the winner anymore. She is!
Yay! Honesty and goodness wins.
Draw a cat next.
Okay. Oh boy. It's easy. Ugh. I love kitties. Almost done here. Final touches. Huh? How is she so fast? I can't lose. Psst. What? Can I have that? How much are you willing to pay? As much as you want. Here's my price. This won't be cheap. 500? That's nothing for me. It's basically free. Just take all of it. Wow! I'm rich! I'll take that. Awesome! And I'm a winner!
You've got something I want. Dollar bills? Nope. Aha! Much better! That's mine now! Huh? I was never here!
Oh, 7,
Hey, time's up!
800. Oh, I don't have anything. My drawing's ready. It was ready. Where?
Here's what I have.
Oh, man. Huh. Wait. I know what to do. I remember this trick from art class. Watch carefully. And here comes the kitty. Orange kitties are mischievous. Golden kitties are glamorous. Just like the one I'm drawing. But one thing's certain. Every kitty is adorable. And here's my drawing.
How did you pull that off? I'm gonna lose.
Or not. I know a trick or two as well. Letters are basically shapes if you think about it. Once you add a few lines, it becomes a drawing. Time for a little color. Orange cats are always a little chaotic. Just like me.
I look at the little details for a fair assessment. She wins! Bravo!
Ha! It's me! Yay! Ugh, why is it so hot in here? I think I'm melting. This is not doing anything.
Technology to the rescue. Ah, much better.
This is trash. Huh?
A cold refreshment.
Ugh.
Ah.
Hey, aren't you forgetting us?
You want one?
Duh!
Then you draw one!
Oh, can you believe this guy? He sure is getting on my nerves. Anyway, guess we get back to work. I want my popsicle to look super sweet. This is already giving childhood summer vacation memories. Let me give it some flavor. But first, I gotta apply some glue. This is where it gets fun. Red glitter screams strawberry flavor. Don't you agree? Glitter is my weakness, you know. Now it looks so yummy. A little bit of grape flavor at the end. Aw, it's too cute to eat. Here you go. Oh, wow.
I'll eat them all.
Aha! Consider me inspired. Why only draw one popsicle when you can draw a popsicle couple? Theirs is a love story. I mean, everything's better in pairs. They're like summer's sweethearts. This is the cutest relationship I've ever drawn. Stop! They're already so precious. Look at their tiny smiles. So happy together. I'll win.
Oh, time to judge your drawings. Wow! The sparkle makes a pop.
I'm a creative genius.
Huh? I can't believe my eyes! Aw, adorable!
Yay!
Who wins the challenge? You do!